Guys, so into this video I'm going to show you how to delete a group chat on TikTok. So you want to delete a group chat that you created on TikTok. Let me show you how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open up the app. And once you open up the app, click on inbox.
Decided to uphold.
Once you click on your inbox, go and find the group that you created. This is one of my group. I'm going to click on it. Now once you click on it, you can see this is it. So you need to click on these three dots. You're going to see, okay, sorry for that. Now go back. Once you click on your inbox, just double click on the group and you're going to see delete. Click on delete. Then you're going to delete, and everything, both the messages and everything, will be deleted easily. So guys, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.